Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel NT Tutorial. This is Nushat and you are doing voices. Okay, say in voices we have done completely tenses. Tenses is over. Okay, in this video we will do passive voice but related to modals and imperative sentences. Okay, हम modal से related और imperative sentences से related कुछ statements लेंगे, कुछ active voices लेंगे और उसे passive voice में convert करना सीखेंगे. So let's understand first of all modals किसे कहते हैं. What do you mean by modals? So may, might, can, could, should, would, shall, will. These all comes under modals. Modals के अंदर आते हैं. Okay. So we will learn here how to change these statements having modals into passive voice. Passive voice में हम इसे कैसे करना सीखेंगे. Let's understand. So first of all here is I can lift this heavy load. Okay. I can lift this heavy load. इसमें हमें कुछ नहीं करना. इट्स ऑल्सो वेरी सिंपल. ये भी बहुत ईजी है. हम इसमें सिर्फ बी के यूज करते हैं. बी जस्ट लुक हियर. आई कैन लिफ्ट दिस हेवी लोड. सो व्हाट इज सब्जेक्ट हियर? दिस इज आई एंड व्हाट इज ऑब्जेक्ट? हेवी लोड. सो हाउ टू चेंज इनटू पैसिव वॉइस. हम इसे पैसिव वॉइस में कैसे करेंगे? पीवी आई कैन लिफ्ट दिस हेवी लोड. सो दिस इज ऑब्जेक्टिव. This heavy load simply करेंगे. This heavy load first of all object. This heavy load can where there is modals. जहां भी modal हो. यहाँ पे modal क्या है? Can. इसमें क्या है? Could. In this sentence should. Here may and in this must. So where there is modal, जहां कहीं भी modal है, just after the modals means can, could, may, might, we have to add be. So this heavy load can be. This heavy load can be then verb third. This heavy load can be lifted then by then subject. Subject is I, so it will be changed into me. Okay. Is there need of structural formula? Structural formula कराने का means जरूरी है यहाँ पे. So let's write down if you have any query. Then subject plus modals. Modals may be anything. Can, could, may, might plus be plus verb third plus by plus subject. Okay, plus this will be object first of all, then subject. Got it? Here object is this heavy load, then after that this is modal can, then be, then verb third lifted, then by, then subject. So this heavy load can be lifted by me. Similarly, we have to do the next question. Okay. He could not buy a costly car. What is subject here? Subject क्या है इसमें? He. What is object? A costly car. So according to this structure formula, now we do. So what will come first? सबसे पहले क्या आएगा? What will come first here? Then a costly car. So a costly car. Then modals. Modal is could. Okay. A costly car could. Then be. A costly car could be verb third. So not है. So we will also have to use here not. A costly car could not be. Just after not we will do here. Not के बाद हम be लगाएंगे. A costly car could not be then verb third. By. Verb third of by is bought. A costly car could not be bought by him. He is subject, so it will be changed into him. A costly car could not be bought by him. Clear? It's too easy. Now next, you should not waste your time. Okay, you should not waste your time. आपको अपना time waste नहीं करना चाहिए. So what is here? Subject you. And what is object? Object क्या है? your time. So according to this structural formula, we will do here once again. You should not waste your time. What is the object here? Your time. So your time will come first. Okay. Your time. Then modal. Modal is should. Your time should is HOULD. Your time should. Then there is not also. So your time should not. Then we will put be. Your time should not be. Then verb term. Your time should not be wasted. Wasted by you. Got it? You can write by you or not, because your time you should not. You can also write tell like this. Your time should not be wasted. It's not necessary to add here by you. Okay? जरूरी नहीं कि आप इसमें by you लिखें. आप इतने पे भी छोड़ सकते हैं. Your time should not be wasted. Like here, this heavy load can be lifted by me. So this heavy load can be lifted. You can also write here. Now, may I help the poor? क्या मैं help कर सकता हूँ गरीबों को? So may I help the poor here? How will you change into passive voice? अब हम इसे passive voice में कैसे convert करेंगे? So here, may I help the poor? What is object here? The poor. What is subject? Subject is I. May I help the poor? Then may the poor be helped. May the poor be helped. Let me first of all. So may क्वेश्चन हमारा इंट्रोगेटिव में है. सो पैसिव वॉइस विल बी आल्सो बी इन इंट्रोगेटिव. मे देन ऑब्जेक्ट. मे द पुअर बी हेल्प्ड. मे द पुअर बी हेल्प्ड बाय मी. बाय मी, बिकॉज आई विल बी चेंजिंग टू मी. सिंस इट इज इन इंट्रोगेटिव, क्वेश्चन में है, हमारा इंट्रोगेटिव में है. So answer will be also, passive voice will be also in interrogative. So put here one sign of interrogation. Now there was one more question that is based on must. You must respect your parents. You must respect your parents. Now look here. What is subject? Subject क्या है इसमें? You. What is object? Your parents. So you will change into this, or now you will change these statements into passive voice. So passive voice में कैसे करेंगे? It's also modals. So हम simply just after modals हम क्या put करेंगे? Me. बाकी सारे structure as it is होंगे. Okay? So your parents, object first of all. Your parents, then must here. Your parents must be. Just after modals I told you हम क्या ऐड करेंगे? Be. So your parents must be, then verb third, respected. Your parents must be respected by you. So we have seen here how to change modals, statement related to modals into passive voice. Now we will see how to change imperative statements, sentence related to imperative sentence into passive voice. Let's understand first of all what is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence हम किसे कहते हैं? Then you know a sentence which expresses command, request, order, prohibition is called imperative sentence. उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Imperative sentence. So let's understand some statements related to imperative sentence और हम उसे passive voice में भी करना सीखेंगे. So here first one, close the door. दरवाजे को बंद करो. Close the door. Then what is this? क्या है? यहाँ पे हम ऑर्डर भी कर रहे हैं close the door. Then you are ordered to close the door. हम टू वे से कर सकते हैं, एक लेट से या अकॉर्डिंग टू. हम देखेंगे सेंटेंस में क्या है, रिक्वेस्ट है, ऑर्डर है, प्रोहिबिशन है. देन बाय यूजिंग दैट. फॉर एग्जांपल क्लोज द डोर. क्लोज द डोर, दरवाजा बंद करो. इट मीन्स यूर ऑर्डर. आप ऑर्डर दे रहे हो कहीं पे, यू आर ऑर्डरिंग समवन. सो प्लीज here close the door. You are ordered to close the door. Yeah, लेट द डोर बी क्लोज्ड, हम पहले क्या यूज करेंगे, लेट। लेट का यूज पहले हम देखते हैं। हियर लेट, देन ऑब्जेक्ट, देन बी और नॉट बी, देन वर्ब थर्ड। हियर क्लोज द डोर, क्लोज द डोर। सो व्हाट विल यूज हियर, हम क्या यूज करेंगे यहाँ पे, लेट। देन ऑब्जेक्ट, ऑब्जेक्ट इज द डोर, सो लेट द डोर, then be, let the door be, then verb third, let the door be closed, let the door be closed, getting it? Or in another way we can say close the door, अगर order है, you know, close the door, दरवाजे बंद करो, so you are ordered to close the door, हम इस वैसे भी कर सकते हैं, you are ordered to close the door या let the door be closed, closed verb third, shut the window, then let the window be shut, let the window be shut, or you are ordered to shut the window, getting it now? Next is here, please sign this letter, please sign this letter. Then what is here it expresses, please क्या express करना है, request, so we will do here, you are requested to sign this letter, getting up? You are requested to sign, you are requested to sign this letter, got it? Or you can say also by using let, let this, just first of all let use करेंगे, then object let this letter, then be, let this letter be signed, लेकिन since here it is request, so it is more better, you are requested to sign this letter, getting ना? Bring a cup of tea, order, क्या है, order है, so you are ordered to bring a cup of tea, हम इस तरह से करेंगे, you are ordered, request है, so you are requested, order है, then you are ordered, you are ordered to bring a cup of tea, bring a cup of tea, got it? Get me a glass of water, get me a glass of water, then you are ordered to get me a glass of water, okay? Next, be off my side, मेरी नजरों से दूर हटो, be off my side, then be off my side means you are ordered to be off my side, you are ordered to be off my side, okay? आपको ऑर्डर दिया जाता है कि आप मेरी नजरों से दूर रहें, okay? So here you are ordered to be, you are ordered to be off my side, off my side. Post this letter, next, post this letter, then you are ordered to post this letter. Kindly help the poor, then you are requested to help the poor, getting it now? It's too easy. Kindly do not lose your heart, kindly do not lose your heart, then what will be here, if there is kindly, please, then request, it shows request, क्या शो करता है, request. So अगर kindly और request है, kindly और please है, तो हम request यूज करते हैं, you are requested, kindly do not lose your heart, then you are requested not to lose your heart, you are requested not to lose your heart, getting it? It's interesting. Shut the window, you are ordered to shut the window, okay? Get me a glass of water, you are ordered to get me a glass of water. Please help me, then you are requested to help me. Please sign this letter, then you are requested to sign this letter. Help your parents, okay? Then you are ordered to help your parents, okay? Turn left, turn, you are ordered to turn left, getting now? So these are the statements related to what? Imperative sentence. And you also knew, अब तो आपको पता चल गया how to change this imperative sentence, the statements of imperative sentence into passive voice. That's also too easy and also very interesting. So this is today in this lecture video, it is off, it is completely, you know, our passive voice is over. And I hope that you have taken much interest. अब इसमें बहुत इंटरेस्ट लिए और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. And please go on practicing it. And if you have any doubt, then go to my comment section and ask your doubt. Okay, till then, bye bye.